Renault's Alpine A290 is turning heads as a modern reinterpretation of the classic R5 supermini, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge electric performance. Inspired by the iconic Renault 5, which was a favorite from the 1970s to the 1990s, the Alpine A290 emerges as the sporty and dynamic variant, affectionately nicknamed the Pocket Rocket. While the original R5 embodied simplicity and charm, this updated version is packed with advanced technology and a sleek contemporary design that stays true to its roots. The Alpine A290 was recently tested by Euro New Car Assessment Program, showcasing impressive safety credentials for a compact car. However, it was slightly held back in adult occupant protection, leading to a 4-star safety rating. Despite this, it performed well in other categories, demonstrating Renault's commitment to safety and innovation in the electric vehicle market. With its compact dimensions and powerful electric drivetrain, the Alpine A290 is designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience, making it an attractive choice for enthusiasts and city drivers alike. This exciting electric vehicle offers a unique combination of heritage-inspired design and future-forward performance, setting it apart in an increasingly competitive market. For fans of the Renault 5, the Alpine A290 is a fitting tribute with a modern twist.